Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block hashtags on TikTok. Hashtags are a great way to find the type of content you're looking for on TikTok. But is it possible to block a certain hashtag on TikTok? There is an incredible amount of content that gets uploaded to TikTok every day. And you can find videos for just about every topic or community on the platform. However, you may have found that you are repeatedly being recommended certain types of videos on your FYP that you aren't interested, which often use the same hashtags. Can you block hashtags on TikTok? Yes, it is possible to block hashtags on TikTok. If you want to prevent videos with certain hashtags from appearing on your For You page, simply follow these videos. Open the TikTok app, then go to your profile. Now, click on the three lines in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Content Preferences. Now, tap on Filter Video Keywords. And add all the terms and hashtags you want to block. If you come across a video with a certain hashtag you want to block, you can go ahead and block it without having to go to Settings. To do this, simply follow these steps. Tap and hold on the video and click Not Interested in the pop-up menu. On the Will Show Fewer Videos Like This pop-up, click Details. The filter hashtag screen should appear. Then tap the hashtags you no longer want to see and tap Submit. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.